In today's video, I will walk you through how to add gradient text in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open CapCut on your computer and access your project where you want to apply the gradient text effect. Then go to the Text tab, where you can add and edit text elements inside your timeline. Drag a text element onto the timeline, and once it appears on the screen, click into it and type the text you want to use for your gradient design. After entering your text, move to the Text Settings panel and choose the font style that fits your design. Then adjust the font size so it displays clearly in your preview window. Next, set the first color for your text by selecting a color from the available color options and applying it directly to the text layer. Once the base color is set, go to the Animation section and select a text animation style from the available options. Then apply the one you want, so it is linked to your text clip. After that, press Alt on your keyboard and drag the text layer upward to duplicate it, creating an identical copy on the timeline so both layers match exactly in position and timing. Select the second text layer and change its color to your second gradient color so it differs from the first layer while keeping the same text content. Once both text layers are prepared, right-click on the first text clip and choose Create Compound Clip. Then repeat the same process for the second text clip so both versions are grouped separately. After that, select the second compound clip and go to the Video section where you will find the mask option. Then click on it and choose Add Mask followed by selecting the Split Mask option. When the split mask appears, rotate the mask line to adjust the angle so the transition between the two colors starts to form. Then, continue fine-tuning the position by dragging the mask upward until the two colors blend together smoothly and create a gradient effect across the text. Once you are satisfied with how it looks in the preview window, select both compound clips along with your project elements in the timeline, right-click on the selection, and choose Create Compound Clip once again to merge everything into a single combined layer. Your gradient text effect is now fully created and ready inside your CapCut PC project.